Assalamu alaikum grade 2. How are you? This is Mrs. Fatma Amir here. Hope to see you fine at home. I guess you people must be missing your school, your schoolmates and teachers. But no problem class. We people are still connected to one another in the form of online classes and videos. Now let's come to the main agenda. As you people know that we have proceeded towards our second term. And I am going to conduct your English text class. Today the date is 29th January 2021 and the day is Friday. Okay class, as you people know that the last time we did the work of final term title page, and then we made the title page of the chapter the electric lights, okay, and we did the work of words meanings, fine. So today we are going to proceed towards our questions and answers. So after the words meanings, come to the next page. Okay, write on the date of today 29 January 2021 classwork, and the day is Friday, and take out your blue color pencil, fine. And whenever you people are watching the video, you should have the stationery box also along with you, and the notebooks and the course books also, so that you can concern your course books for the questions and answers. Okay, now write down answer the following questions with blue color. Question number 1 is, why were people afraid to go out? ठीक है ना, in the previous time period, पहले के ज़माने में जब इलेक्ट्रिक लाइट्स नहीं थी, why were the people afraid to go out? लोग क्यों डरते थे बाहर जाने से? Okay, now let's concern the book for the answer first. Fine. Come to your course book 2. Take out page number 49. The chapter is electric lights. Come to the last line. You can see here people were afraid to go out because it was so dark. ठीक है ना? Now we get the answer कि क्यों डरते थे, because you know it was so dark at that time. Okay, now you found the answer from the book. Now you can write answer number 1. People were afraid to go out because it was so dark. ठीक है ना, बहुत अंधेरा होता था. The answer is on page number 49. Now question number 2 is, who made the first electric bulb? किसने बनाया था? And you people are very much aware because we have learned the name of this scientist so many times. ठीक है ना? So it was Thomas Alva Edison made the electric bulb. Now we can even concern the book also for the answer. You can see here on page number 50. The second last paragraph is here. Do you know who made the first electric bulb? They are asking. It was Thomas Alva Edison. ठीक है, so we come to know that who made the electric bulb first? It was Thomas Alva Edison. So we come to know Thomas Alva Edison made the first electric bulb. Fine, my answer is not coming onto one on the same page, so I've used the next page. Again, write down the date of today 29 January 2021 classwork, and the day is Friday. So we come to know that it was Thomas Alva Edison who made the first electric bulb. Okay, question number 3 is, where did Edison live? कहाँ रहता था? ठीक है, Edison lived in America. ठीक है, we people must, like you people must have remembered it, लेकिन ये कि we should go to concern the book also for this. Okay, now you come to page number 50. You can see over here on the last second last paragraph. Do you know who made the first electric bulb? After that, Thomas Alva Edison is written. Then he was an inventor. We come to know that he was an inventor. He made many new and useful things. He lived in America. ठीक है ना? So he is concerned with Thomas Alva Edison because Thomas Alva Edison's description is here. So we come to know that he used to live in where? In America. Okay, so answer is Edison or Thomas Alva Edison lived in America. This is the answer. Fine. Okay, now your copy work is over, class. Now you come to your book. Fine. Come to page number 51. Okay, write down the date of today 29 January 2021 classwork, and the day is Friday. This work is to be done in your books. Okay, true false is there. You just have to write T for correct answer, ठीक है, for true statement, and F for false statement, that is whether that is wrong. ठीक है. Number 1 is, oil lamps give more light than electric lamps. क्या oil lamps means जो lantern होती है, क्या वो electric lamps से ज़्यादा light देते हैं? No, that is understood. This is the answer will be false. ठीक है. Second one is, many years ago there were no electric lamps. बहुत सालों पहले electric lamps नहीं होते थे. Definitely yes, true, because the people used to face so much trouble. ठीक है, because it was so dark outside, because they did not have the facility of electric lamps. Third one is, now when the sun goes down we light lots of oil lamps. अगर अब यानी सूरज गुरूब हो जाता है, क्या हम बहुत सारे electric lamps जलाते हैं? No, the answer is false. ठीक है. Fourth one is, Thomas Edison was an inventor. Yes, he was an inventor and he invented the bulb. ठीक है। फिफ्थ वन इज एडिसन वर्क वेरी हार्ड टू मेक अ गुड इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, उसने बहुत ज़्यादा रात दिन कोशिश की थी, मेहनत की थी इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब बनाने के लिए। यस, द आंसर इज ट्रू। ठीक है, द ट्रू फॉल्स आर रियली अंडरस्टूड बिकॉज द आई गेस योर कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर मस्ट हैव बीन क्लियर इन योर माइंड। ठीक है ना? Okay, I guess class 2, your like the concept of this chapter must have been cleared into your mind, and I hope so when you people come back to school, you will come, like you will bring your completed work. Fine, your at least this chapter should have been completed, like the title page of final term, the title page of the chapter, words, meanings, and question answers, and true false are to be done in the books. ठीक है ना? Now till then you people do, you take a very good care of your health, do very good preparation for the examination. Fine, meet you soon inshallah in the physical classes. Allah Hafiz from my side now.